Ultimate Guide to be a Tomboy. Are you ready to break free from societal expectations and embrace your inner tomboy? Being a tomboy isn't just about style or interests, it's about confidence, self-expression, and being true to yourself. In this ultimate guide, we'll dive into the world of tomboy culture, exploring everything from fashion and beauty tips to sports and hobbies. Whether you're a girl who loves playing sports, getting dirty, or just being yourself, this guide is for you. So, let's get started and discover what it means to be a tomboy. Outfits. Your outfit is everything when it comes to pulling off a tomboy style. It's all about wearing what makes you feel like the best version of yourself. When your clothes reflect your personality and attitude, you're unstoppable. For a tomboy style, wear clothes that are comfortable and fun. Go for graphic t-shirts, plain tees, or oversized shirts with cool logos or designs. You can also wear tank tops or sleeveless shirts for a relaxed look. For pants, opt for jeans, joggers, or sweat monsoon pants, in neutral colors like black, blue, or gray. Some great colors for tomboy style include black, white, gray, navy blue, and bold colors like red or green. Consider wearing striped or plaid shirts for a classic look, or sports team jerseys to show off your team spirit. Baggy or ripped jeans can add a cool, laid-back touch to your outfit. Ultimately, choose clothes that make you feel confident and comfortable. Hairstyles. When it comes to hairstyles, tomboys often go for styles that are easy to manage and low maintenance. Consider a short pixie cut, a messy bob, or a simple ponytail. You can also try braids or buns for a more relaxed look. Messy textures and undone styles are totally on trend, so don't be afraid to add some grit to your look. Try using styling products like pomade or texture spray to add some edge. Side-swept bangs or a fringe can also add a cool touch. And remember, your hair is your own, so style it in a way that makes you feel confident and comfortable, whether that's super sleek or totally undone. Makeup or no makeup. As a tomboy, you might not be into fussing over makeup, and that's totally okay. When it comes to makeup, it's all about keeping it simple and natural. You don't need a lot of products or heavy makeup to look great. If you do choose to wear makeup, go for a natural look with a little bit of concealer, mascara, or lip balm. Or you can skip makeup altogether and focus on taking care of your skin. Either way, own your look and feel confident in your own skin. Remember, being a tomboy is all about being yourself and not worrying about what others think. So do what makes you happy and comfortable. Shoes. Shoes can totally make or break your tomboy style. When it comes to footwear, think comfort and cool. Here are some tips to help you rock the right shoes. Go for sneakers, boots, or loafers. They're all great options for a tomboy. Look for shoes that are sturdy, comfortable, and easy to move around in. Black, white, or bold-colored shoes can add a cool touch to your outfit. You can also experiment with different textures like leather or suede. Ultimately, choose shoes that make you feel confident and comfortable, and don't be afraid to add your own personal touch with laces, buckles, or bold designs. Whether you're hanging out with friends or playing sports, the right shoes can take your tomboy style to the next level. Accessories. Accessories can make or break an outfit, and as a tomboy, you're all about adding the right touches to enhance your style. Accessories are a great way to express your personality and add some edge to your look. Go for baseball caps, beanies, or snapbacks to add a sporty vibe. Layering necklaces or adding chunky jewelry can give your outfit a bold touch. Backpacks, tote bags, or fanny packs are all great options for carrying your essentials while keeping your hands free. Don't be afraid to experiment and find the accessories that make you feel like you. Add a watch, a belt, or a pair of cool sunglasses to complete your look. Remember, accessories are all about adding a personal touch, so have fun with it and own your style. Layering and styling. Layering and styling are key to pulling off a tomboy look. Start with a basic tee or tank top and add layers like a hoodie, jacket, or flannel shirt. This will give you a cool and casual vibe. Experiment with different textures like denim, cotton, or fleece to add depth to your outfit. Keep your styling simple with a messy bun or a low ponytail, and add a bit of edge with sneakers or boots. Own your look and rock it with confidence. That's the ultimate tomboy style. Beauty routine. As a tomboy, your beauty routine can be simple and low-key. Focus on keeping your skin healthy and clean with a good face wash and moisturizer. You can also use a bit of lip balm to keep your lips hydrated. If you wear your hair short or in a ponytail, you might not need to style it much. But a bit of hair wax or pomade can help keep your hair in place. Keep your nails short and neat and don't worry too much about makeup. You're all about being comfortable and confident in your own skin. Act like a tomboy. Acting like a tomboy is all about being yourself and having fun. Don't be afraid to get a little messy, whether you're playing sports or just hanging out with friends. Speak your mind and be confident in what you think and do. Be adventurous and try new things. Whether it's a new game or a new outdoor activity, don't worry about what others think. Just be yourself and enjoy life. You can also show off your skills and talents, whether it's in sports, gaming, or music. Just relax, be cool, and have fun. That's the tomboy way. Personal style tips. Your personal style is a reflection of your unique personality and attitude. As a tomboy, you're likely all about comfort, practicality, and self-expression. Here are some tips to help you rock your personal style. When it comes to personal style, tomboys often go for comfort and practicality. Wear clothes that make you feel confident and relaxed, like graphic tees, hoodies, and sneakers. Don't be afraid to mix and match different styles. Pair a feminine top with baggy jeans or sneakers. Accessorize with hats, backpacks, or chunky jewelry to add some edge. Most importantly, wear what makes you feel like you. Don't try to follow every trend. And that's a wrap. You've made it through the ultimate guide to being a tomboy. Remember to stay true to yourself, rock your style, and own your confidence. Whether you're into sports, gaming, or just being your awesome self, being a tomboy is all about embracing your individuality and having fun. So go ahead, be bold, be fearless, and be you.